Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have c multiplied by c minus c multiplied by c multiplied by c, and this whole equals to 2, and we solve this problem for the values of c. So here the very first step we are going to do is, here first you see that the exponent of these two terms are 1, and we know that bases are same, so we add its exponent. So c to the power of 1 plus 1 equals to 2, so we write it as c square. Minus, here you have the exponent of these three c's are 1, so when we add these three ones, so you get here c cubed, and this is equals to 2. And now here in the next step we need to simplify the terms, and we move these two in the left hand side, and it will be written as c square minus c cubed minus 2 equals to 0. So here further in the next step we need more simplifications here, and now we break this minus 2 and it will be written as c square minus c cubed. This is minus 2, we write it as minus 1, and this whole equals to 0. And now in the next step, here we need to combine the terms. So this one is combined by the c square, and it will be written as c square minus 1, and after that we have this is minus c cubed and this is minus 1. So when you take common minus from these two values, we get this is minus times of c cubed and plus 1, and this whole equals to 0. So here we need two formulas in order to solve this equation. So that our first formula is, we apply a square minus b square is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. And here in this term, in order to simplify this term, we can apply here the cubic formula. You know that if you have a cubed plus b cubed, it is equals to a plus b times of a square minus ab plus b square. So we need these two formulas to simplify the above equation. So here first we can apply this square formula in the first factor, so that we write our first factor as this is c square minus 1, and we write this one as 1 square. So here according to this formula we write it as c minus 1 times of c plus 1 minus, here we can apply this cubic formula. So according to this cubic formula we write this term as c plus 1 into this is a square. So here our a is c square minus ab, a is c and b is 1 plus b square, b is 1 square, and this whole equals to 0. And now in the next step, so now you focus on these two terms, and you see here we have c plus 1 be the common factor, so that we take common c plus 1, and the remaining values are, here we get c minus 1, and here we get minus times of c square minus c times of 1 is c, and 1 square equals to 1, and this whole equation equals to 0. In the next step we need more simplifications, and we write it as c plus 1 times of this is c minus 1, and here we multiply this negative sign on each of these terms, and it will be written as minus c square plus c and minus 1, and this whole equals to 0. So here we will add or subtract the like terms, and it will be written as c plus 1 times of here you have this is minus c square, and this c and c equals to plus 2c, this is minus 1 and minus 1 equals to minus 2, and this whole equals to 0. And now here we need to we need to convert this equation into the two cases, so that our first case is to write c plus 1 equals to 0, and the second case is we write minus c square plus 2c minus 2 equals to 0. So in the first case we easily get the value of c equals to minus 1, and here in order to find the other values we need to solve this quadratic equation. This is not into the standard form, And now here first we write this into the standard form. For this we need to multiply both of the sides by -1. So here we multiplying both of the sides by -1. So this will be written as, this is minus c square becomes plus c square, this is plus 2c becomes minus 2c, this is minus 2 becomes plus 2, and this whole equals to 0. So this is the quadratic equation, and here we can write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are capital A equals to 1, capital B equals to -2, and capital C equals to 2. So here we can apply the quadratic formula in order to solve this quadratic equation, and quadratic formula is stated as minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. And now here we need to substitute the values of a, b and c in this quadratic formula. So it will be written as c is equals to minus b, the value of b is -2 plus minus square root of b square, b is -2 square minus 4 times of a is 1, and c is 2, and it is divided by 2 times of a. So here our a is equals to 1. And now in the next step we have we need to simplify the terms. So this is minus times of minus becomes plus 2, and plus minus square root of this is -2 square, -2 square equals to 4, minus 4 times of 2 becomes 8, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 equals to 2. So here we need more simplifications, and we write it as 2 plus minus 4 minus 8 equals to -4, and it is divided by 2. So here we will just break this radical sign, and we write it as 2 plus minus square root of 4 into square root of -1 divided by 2. Here we can apply this square root sign on these two terms separately, and it will be written as c is equals to 2 plus minus, we know that the square root of 4 equals to 2, and the square root of -1 equals to iota, and it is divided by 2. So here we can just break this fraction, and it will be written as 2 over 2 plus minus 2 over 2 iota. So this 2 is cancelled out by this 2, and this 2 is cancelled out by this 2. So finally we have the other two complex values of the given equation are c equals to 1 plus minus 1 iota. Okay, so these are the other two complex values of the given equation. So finally we have the three roots of the given equation are, these two roots are complex roots, and the one root is real root, and it is c equals to -1. And this is our final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.